Yo, what's going on? We were having a bit of tech issues there for a second, but we are back. Looks like we're all good to go now. Not sure what happened there, but apologize for that. Let's take a look here. So let's go ahead and start pulling up the Bitcoin price. Oh man, this is all sorts of messed up here today. Don't know what's going on. All right, let's take a look. So yesterday we were looking at this daily candle. If you guys remember, we were looking at that, and it was a very important candle. We wanted it to close like a dragonfly kind of candlestick there, and we ended up getting that close there, which is good. We got a good close. We didn't close above, but we still closed in a good little candlestick pattern here. I'm not sure you guys are aware of this right here, but this is known as a dragonfly candlestick. And so what this usually does, when you see a dragonfly candlestick, this is the formation that you kind of start to see. This right here. This is what it's known for. So yeah, it's pretty good that we got that close there. And this next candle is gonna close in the next 40 minutes, which is good. But I don't know if you guys ever heard of like what's going on in Salvador. They're the first country that's finally nationally adopting Bitcoin. So that's gonna be good. It's gonna be good to see that. And by the way, guys, get your pre-market fuel. Use code Chart Talk there for 15% off. This is a drink designed and dedicated for traders. So it's the first one ever. It actually just got to the top of the Google search page today. So I highly recommend it. Check out the website. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look here. All right, so let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like we're closing above. I was actually looking for entries. I was trying to see if I can get an entry, but the way that this 4 hour candle closed, there was a probability that we were gonna respect this resistance and come down. So there wasn't any clean confirmations for me, at least, to get a trade in. I think the best confirmation could have been maybe as this candle formed a bottom wick and this one started breaking this high, but to me it wasn't good enough because there were still some wick rejections here, and that could have definitely caused some issues there. So to me, I didn't look at it as a good entry. But another entry that I'm possibly looking at, because I am bullish on Bitcoin here, is something like this, something of this nature here, a pullback to respect and form support here. And if we can get that, then I'm definitely looking for a buy. But we need a form of support here. We need to tap this and form support. And if we do respect this, then I can essentially see us start to move up. So kind of like this, form support here, and then start moving up to this target here. So yeah, nothing goes up forever. We need to see structure. We need to see support and resistance being formed. And so that's why I'm gonna be waiting for that. So yeah, and just to let you guys know, once again, I am bullish on Bitcoin there, so we should be good. And it looks like we're having good quality, good everything here today. I like it. Just we started off with some tech issues, not sure why. But once again, get your pre-market fuel. Use the code ChartTalk at 15% off. All right. Let's take a look here. Oh man. All right, so 30-minute. I'm gonna get rid of this paint. Okay, there. So we see the 30-minute. It's looking pretty good. But obviously, what we want to see in this next 4 hour, what I am anticipating here, the next 4 hour candle, I wanted to close bullish like this. So this is good already. But we want to see the next one come tap here. Oh, tap here and then move up. So just form a bottom wick respecting just good market structure. If we see something like that, then we're gonna be in good hands there. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens there. So it's definitely gonna be good. So I'm looking forward to seeing that there. Okay, it looks like the quality is getting better and better every time I stream, so that's good. Wow, that's nice. Okay, cool. Cool. But yeah, as of right now, everything looks good. It looks like we are starting to see some bullish some bullish candles here. So but the biggest indication here, we do need to get above 42,000. I've been talking about that price for a while now. Until we break above 42,000, that's when I'm gonna be extremely bullish, and that's when I think we're gonna start reaching our all-time highs. But for right now, we are still in this range, so don't get it confused. I am bullish, but at the end of the day, we are still in this range here. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. Yeah, but I'm starting to be bullish on Bitcoin here as we start forming these massive bullish candle. Like I said, you still need market structure for to have a great healthy market. You need market structure. So even here, like, you can see that we formed a support before we continue moving up. Here, same thing. Not everything's gonna go up forever. So as long as we just wait for a support here to be formed, and then we can go ahead and start moving up. So that's something that I'm looking for here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here with Bitcoin, and then let's take a look at what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum heading back up to 2,600 here. Same, look. You look at Ethereum, like I'm talking about. Look, you pull up, form support, and now you can continue moving up. But it looks like it's having a little bit of trouble at this resistance here. So we're gonna have to wait and see. Wait and see what happens. With Ethereum, I don't know why I bit down on my teeth there. But yeah, Cardano still holding strong. I love Cardano. I said this before. Cardano has a good army for a reason. Like, it's such a great, like, it has such a great future ahead of itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and start charting down some Cardano here. See if maybe, so right now Cardano is at a resistance here. I think I've had this resistance marked before, but I think we need to break above this resistance here ultimately to keep breaking up. But like I said, if Bitcoin starts doing what it's supposed to do with all the bullishness that's been happening with it, I don't see a problem on why Cardano can't start moving up. So we'll wait and see what happens there. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see. A lot of waiting. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and break this chart down. Oh, it's still good. I'm just looking at the pound yen for possible entries here later this week. I almost grabbed a sell here. But the reason why I didn't enter it is because I was just waking up, and so I didn't want to rush into any trade, so I didn't take it. But my entry is going to be here. Stop loss is going to be at the 30-minute high. I think I was looking at, no, not the 30-minute high. How many pips is this? Maybe I was looking at this one here. Yeah, I think I was looking at this here. It was going to be a great entry. I didn't take it, but it's okay. Like, there's different entries, different trades that there's every day. So didn't FOMO in. Might get rid of this one from my watch list though. We'll wait and see. And then the pound AUD. But yeah, for the most part, my bad. I was just looking at a couple of things there. So yeah, I don't think I hope we get support here formed, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. Maybe we did get on the smaller time frame. Maybe this was the support to continue moving up, but I'm not gonna buy the top, so I'm not even gonna look for entries right now. If we don't get a support, I am gonna look to get an entry once we break above this, maybe. And then our next targets are right here. Obviously, everything's just price action and in the short term. So we'll wait and see for this as well. So this is a great target. So there's great opportunities. I love trading crypto. It's fun. And the way I trade it is I use dynamic risk. I don't put a whole entry in, and I don't like drawdown. So as soon as I go in, and it's hard to time the best entry, so what I do is I go in with multiple smaller entries. So as it pulls back, as it gets closer to my stop loss, that's where I start adding a smaller position, because like I said, I don't like drawdown. I don't like to deal with that there, and so I just do that rather than try to get like the best entry possible. So yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, today's stream is not gonna be that long because there's some things that I have to get taken care of, but we'll see if we can get some new people tapping in with us here on the stream. But yeah, it looks like we're pumping. I don't think there's no stopping Bitcoin. I think the next thing is probably gonna be tapping resistance here, and then price is probably gonna drop. I think we're probably gonna tap up here. Doesn't look like we're gonna get this support here, so it looks like we're probably gonna tap up here and we're gonna come down here. Don't be surprised if tomorrow we're down here again, but just forming support to continue moving up. But as of right now, I am bullish on Bitcoin. But just long-term wise, we do need to break above 42,000 to start really taking off. So yeah, Bitcoin and crypto is insane. Like, to be honest with you, the way that just this daily candle is just moving is like crazy. Crazy. Let's look at let's throw a 50 EMA on the daily. No, 14 on the daily. Yeah, see, and if you can see it, this is kind of on that 42. So the 200 EMA is on like the 42. Oh, look, it's exactly 42,000. So even the EMA is kind of saying there. So that's another confluence on what I'm seeing there. So we do need to break over that 42,000 to really start pulling up. I've been really thinking about creating, maybe as I grow audience on this channel, I am thinking of creating my own price action more scalping indicator, but that's not until I get a more of an audience here to really like have something for price action in crypto. There isn't really anything that deals with price action with crypto. It's all bigger picture, which isn't bad, but like for people that like quick intraday scalps, like there's really nothing out there. So maybe that's something I'm thinking about doing as I grow an audience here. But as of right now, there's nothing. There's no trades. Usually what we do on this stream every day is we look to see if we can get in any trades with the new 4-hour candle that opens up. As of right now, there's no trades. No trades. We're not forcing any. Yeah. Remain patient. Yeah, man. We gotta wait and see. Be patient. I gotta charge my phone because I'm gonna need that when I leave later. So let me charge that while I chill here with you guys. Dang, I just wish I had more more of an audience. It'd be so fun talking to people, more people, and like breaking things down. But maybe one day, maybe one day. But right now, mainly this is for people that rewatch. If anybody taps in, some price action trading. I should have probably named it that. Chart talk, price action. I don't know. But yeah, chilling still. Yeah, we're just waiting to see what this 4-hour candle ends up doing here. So we will see. And it's pumping still. Wow. Still pumping, no stopping this candle. So we'll see. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna stop. I don't think it's gonna stop. Still pumping. Still pumping. So yeah, I look forward tomorrow. It's gonna be good. Let's see what we can get. We can get some entries in tomorrow. This is a good. So I've been trying to figure out like what's a time where we start seeing a lot of movement like in crypto, because it does move slow and it just takes off like random times during the day. But I noticed that at 6 a.m. to like 8 a.m. it has crazy movements, and then I'm also noticing that during our streaming time, and when that new daily 4-hour candle open, we start seeing another crazy time where we start seeing volume pick up. Where's the volume indicator? I can actually pull that up here, and we can kind of take a look at that together. So that's actually something pretty good that we can look at. But I might be leaving here very soon, so maybe after this we'll see if anybody hops on, wants to take a look at one of their coins. Yeah. Let's see here. The volume indicator. Let's see. Yeah, I don't look at this really. This is yeah. Let's try to pick out like what hours of the day. Let's see if I'm right. So look, this is around 9 a.m., 8 a.m. Like you start seeing this sharp momentum here. You start seeing some momentum, and obviously during this time, like wait, no, this is still morning. So this is still the morning. So right now, like you're starting to see it pick up a little bit. Let's go back in time though. That's when we can really see it. So what time is this? 7 a.m. You start seeing this big candle here. Right. So it's always the mornings. 7 a.m. big candle there. 8 a.m. big candle there. Like it's pretty weird. You start noticing things like 10 a.m. like 8 a.m. like you start seeing like volume pick up here, and then you start seeing this here. During this time, see, like during this time you start seeing some volume over here, crazy amount of volume during this time. It's actually insane. So, and we are seeing volume here, so we if we were seeing a great setup, we would take it here, but as of right now we're not seeing anything, and I don't like this volume indicator, because for me I feel like if you just want to see the volume, like just look at each candlestick. Like this is volume momentum. So yeah, this is like dead right here. But yeah, so as of right now there's no entries. We're just chilling here, just relaxing. But yeah, it looks like we are gonna tap this resistance here. Yeah, it looks like we are gonna tap that resistance. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this here. We don't need this anymore. I'm gonna start deleting things we do not need. we don't need that. We don't need this one anymore. Because I'll be very, very surprised if we come back here like by tomorrow. Like, won't need that for a while. This is a level that I kind of want to keep. I'll just delete it. I'll put it back if we do need it. But right now it looks like we don't need these bottom levels because we're pumping. It's time for Bitcoin to start slowly making a comeback here. So yeah, we'll see what happens. 30-minute. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and reach that target. I think we're gonna reach that target. And do we break? If we break above that, like holy crap! Like it's actually getting intense mode. So we'll see. We'll see if we start breaking that target. Yeah, that's a great resistance though. Like the levels here for Bitcoin are so nice. Like it's smooth to trade. Like it's very smooth. Like I'm not gonna lie to you, it's very smooth. But right now we're just chilling, nothing going on. I won't be on stream just for today to see the new candle open up. But I should. I usually do sit through the whole thing and see the new daily candle, 4-hour candle. So next time. Next time. I need to put something on my banner that says like live daily at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. I need to get that done. Because there's probably people that pop in on my channel and they don't know what the hell's going on. Unless they click on one, then they can see like, yeah. Alright, I'm about to get off here very, very soon. Maybe in the next minutes here. But let me just, like always, just check if there's any articles out there. But biggest thing to take away is that we need to break above 42,000. I'm going to keep preaching that 42,000 and then we're going to be good. And obviously, what the heck was I going to say? And the Salvador adopting Bitcoin is maybe the reason why this is pumping, because now you start hearing rumors that you got Paraguay, you got a bunch of South American countries that are following. So it's going to be interesting to see how all of this plays out. But yeah, very, very, very interesting. So lastly here, let's just take a look at some news articles, and then let's go ahead and go ahead and end the stream here. Let's see. Yeah, but that's crazy. Like, I wonder what regulations are gonna come now. Like, it's just scary. Not scary, but just very, very early, interesting times for cryptocurrency in general. Wow, this is interesting. When did this come out? June 5th? We didn't see this. Big BTC crash. Wow, that's crazy. What kind of this? Where'd it go? Disappeared, maybe. Looks like it disappeared. But that's insane. What the? This thing's tripping out on me. Alright, let's look at, that was weird. Let's look at any recent articles here. So an hour ago, we'll take a look, see if any catch our interest here. Mark Perez, bogus crypto to legitimate CBDC. Senate hearing, El Salvador president wants to build volcano-powered crypto miners. Holy crap, they're really into it. Like, I mean, think about it this way. Salvador's the first one. They are kind of like a more I don't want to say poor, but a more I don't know what's the word I'm looking for exactly, but if Salvador picks up, I think like 2.5 million bitcoins they got or something like that to start like using that for the country. But if Salvador is the first one to adopt crypto and they start like using it, is the whole country starts using it as a payment, it's gonna be crazy. Like Salvador's gonna pick up once like the crypto price rises. Like it's good for the country. Like they're being smart. At the end of the day, I don't think they have much to lose. I only see positives from that. So yeah, it's pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Wait, what is this? Canadian Prime Minister's sibling goes bananas for Dogecoin. I say keep an open mind towards Doge and Doge. What the heck? I don't know, but yeah, I think that's gonna be everything. I'm gonna end the stream there. Yeah, today's gonna be a short one, but I'm gonna be going hard at it again. Maybe on Sunday I might do a Sunday stream here. But yeah, I'll definitely be back soon. I'm gonna be busy the rest of the week. I have some things that I have to do, but I will be back on Sunday and then moving forward from there every single day like I have been. So yeah. Wait, what was that? He has made 4.3 million from his 25K investment in Dogecoin. Holy crap, that's insane. Good for him. He probably doesn't need it though. He's already a billionaire. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in, or anybody that rewatches it. Just know that I'm live every day. Starting Sunday, I'm gonna be going hard again. But I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for rewatching, tuning in. All right, peace.